From the main dashboard, find the Keyword Magic Tool section in the left-hand menu. In the search bar, enter a seed keyword that is relevant to your niche, product, or service. The tool will generate a list of related keywords based on your seed keyword. Search volume. Filter keywords based on search volume to find high or low volume keywords. Keyword difficulty. Filter keywords by difficulty to target easier or more competitive keywords. CPC and competition. Use these filters to find keywords with specific cost or competition levels. Keyword grouping. You can explore these groups to find additional relevant keywords. Advanced filters. You can use this filter using word count, competitive density, SERP features, results in SERP. Questions. A collection of keywords phrased as questions that include the seed keyword. Keyword lists. Save selected keywords to a keyword list within Semrush for easy access and management. Download options. Use the export button to download the keyword data in formats such as CSV, XLSX, or PDF. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Semrush Keyword Magic Tool to discover valuable keywords, enhance your SEO and PPC strategies, and drive targeted traffic to your site.